Gisda ydi support I bobl ifanc digartraf sydd angen cael byw yn independent. Oedd ffrind y teulu, o'n i'n byw efo fo cyn symud I Gisda. So ddeitha fi, neith o'n newid bywyd chdi, neith o helpu chdi gallu byw ar ben dy hun a neith o'n chdi'n person well.
So Gisda o'n ffrind o fi, basically, trwy council. Cos o'n I fod at 17. Nath nhw ffonio mam fi dwel a ffrind I fewn I neud referral a fatha. A wedyn o'n gynnu ni aros a nath nhw'n neud fi just a room spa.
Before coming to Gisda, wasn't really getting on with I wasn't really getting on with my family and my mum. So that led to me having to move out. When I first moved into Havant, it was quite a bit scary, daunting, and I really didn't know what to expect. I'd never lived in a hostel before by myself, so it was a bit, I didn't really want to go, but once you get in there you get settled, you get used to staff, you get used to the people, you start having a laugh. It's not as bad as what you first think it is. And then from Havant I then moved on to Tregaorth, so I live independently now, and which is a lot more better. I just got my own space and I feel like I've achieved something now because I actually have my own place.
I'm the team leader here in Havant. I support the team that work with the young people. We also support the residents in Tregaorth, which is 6 people in our move-on accommodation. We've also got 4 family hostels where we support young single parents, and we support 20 young people on a float and support basis within the community.
Wel, di helpu fi ffindio job, a di helpu fi neu CVs I gallu gael job. Di helpu fi lot o gwaith cwrs. Beth yw'n tomorrow? A just helpu fi I socialisio efo pobl gwahanol.
Beth o gwaith? Beth o gwaith?
So heddiw yma, da ni'n yma'n cymryd codi ymwybyddiaeth yn Gisda a gadael pobl Caernarfon ar ardal eang bod gwyd ni a beth da ni'n neud efo bobl ifanc.
Nes I ffeindio Gisda trwy gyrfa Cymru ym Porthmadog. Amser yma blwyddyn dwytha o'n i'n cael trafod neud pethau sy'n ni'n neud rwan, fatha mynd I projects, mynd ar y cyrsia a stwff, so mae Gisda di helpu fi symud ymlaen, cyfathrebu efo bobl, mynd allan, neud pethau sy'n ni byth I neud. Dwi'n reit lwcus, mae living situation fi'n yn bendant. Dwi'n gwybod os ydy living situation fi mynd dy ddrwg, dwi'n gwybod fi Gisda yna. Theatr grŵp o bobl ifanc sydd ddim efo llawer o profiadau efo theatr. Atha bob wsos da ni'n cael rhyw pwnc I weithio ar, a dyn dod I fyny efo rhyw sioe bach amdano pwnc neu jyst dan bach o theatr, dim sgript o gwbl.
What if it's just like on the weekend?
Well, there's staff in on the weekend.
There's staff in the weekend, yeah.
Dwi'n bod gweithio Gisda ers 5 mlynedd, felly sa'n key worker ers 2 mlynedd. Ti'n cael neud gwahanol activities, a da ni'n mynd i Moelwyn, Wyddfa, mynd I dringo, Fon Harlach, a da ni'n Fon Gaernarfon.
Activities I gyd, bob dim, graffiti, paintballing, go-karting, bob dim. Da ni'n trafeilio yn y transporter, the me machine.
Dwi'n gweithio yn caffi te a cofi, helpu ddatblygu'r busnes a symud ymlaen. Hyfforddi a dysgu'r bobl ifanc sy'n gynnon ni sy'n gwyfodoli efo ni.
My name's Chris. I've worked here for a month now and I love it here, and I cook, I wash dishes, I clean tables. You meet people and all of that, and it's just groovy, yeah.
Dwi wedi bod yn person independent erioed, ond dwi wedi angen dipyn bach o help efo career plan fi a rwan dwi wedi gael hwnna. Dwi jyst yn disgwyl det I join yr army.
Very inspirational. Each young person that I worked with throughout the years that I worked with Gisda have had fantastic qualities.
All staff are nice, but you've got like the certain ones that are really positive and they give you that bit of oomph, and it's nice to know that within like a company like this, there's certain staff members that will help you and things like that.
Dwi'n gobeithio bod ni'n rhoi cyfle i bob person ifanc i llwyddo mewn bywyd, a da ni'n wirioneddol gredu dyn nhw. Da ni'n gweithio mewn ffordd therapeutig, a da ni yn gweithio roi i fyny ar bobl, a da ni'n gweld potensial pobl ifanc cyfan sy'n
I just want to say thank you really for the opportunities that they've given me and provided me with.
Spot on. Well da.